Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, your Amico. So I'll get straight to the point, okay? So I ordered buckleless belt from Meesho because this jeans which I wore is loose. And I don't, I didn't want like a belt, so I ordered buckleless belt. That was lame, I know. So here it is. It's not this big. You can adjust it here like this to your size, and this is elastic, okay? So you don't need to worry. You can like make it as long as you want, and you can make it as short as you want. And if you want to wear it like a belt, then this is also there. You can, okay, so I'll show you. It opens like this. You can wear it like this, or you can directly wear it to your belt ka this buckle. So like this, and you can attach this side also. If you want to wear it like a belt, you can wear it like this also. This also looks cute actually. I don't want a buckle, so this is what I ordered. The quality, I must tell, the quality is very good. They didn't compromise. The So the quality is very good. They didn't compromise in that. The stitch is like, I don't know if you can see, but one thread is out. But yeah, that's okay. So, this is the first time that like I'm showing what I have ordered. Like a quick try on haul it is. So, if I sit, I think it won't be visible, right? I'll stand and show. So this is how the belt looks. It's very good. The quality, the fit, everything is really very good. What is this? So this is how it looks. The quality, the fit, everything is perfect. So if you guys want to invest in a good belt, then this is the one for you all. So I hope you like this mini vlog from Meesho. So thank you for watching, and if you have reached till the end, then thank you for watching till the end. Thank you very, very much. Bye guys. Do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Yes. Bye.